millions of people are truly unhappy at their jobs. You need to seek, search, and discover other alternative opportunities. For example, you have AI, ChatGPT, you have your smartphone, and number three, you have you. You are intellectually intelligent. That is a three-in-one strategy. Your smartphone, AI, ChatGPT, and you. That can actually allow you to now open yourself up and to craft, design your own future, your own career path for yourself to make your life so much more easier, especially your financial situation. That is a problem on a global scale. If you can, many people get divorced because of finances, and the system teaches you to basically be one-minded, just to focus on having a job, which is not enough. The economy is unstable. It diversifies each and every day. It has its ups and downs. You need to be smarter, not naive thinking, but I can only settle for a job. You need to actually open your mind to a broader perspective to design and craft your own career path so that you can influence and impact other people to actually follow their gut feeling on what is right and what is necessary to do.